Fingers whisper on the keys, echoes fall like autumn leaves.
Hi guys, hello beautiful people. How are you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. You're welcome to another beautiful day. Yeah, today is Saturday, so I'm going to the market. So it's like a market vlog. I'm going to take you guys along with me. So join me as I go get some stuff with my big belly. I don't really have much strength to do this, but I had to do this. It's still morning, so let me just go and rush back before the sun will come out. So let's go, guys. It's looking beautiful, beautiful. So guys, you can see everywhere just looking so neat. I think they repainted these places currently, maybe because of the season and all that. But yeah, this road is looking so beautiful today, unlike before. It used to be something else, but yeah, it is beautiful. So let's head to the market. Now the inside be in cocoa. I know one made the inside there. Yeah? I'll say the inside. So I'm buying tomatoes from these people. While I was passing here, I just fell down because this place is so messy. If you know Relief Market, this is one of the messiest or the dirtiest places in the market. This place that you only always get your pepper and your tomatoes, onions, everything. So it's always messy. So I fell down and I was so tired because I've been walking from one tomato stand to another pricing tomatoes. And this day tomato was so costly. So after that I came over to this place to get my onion from my customer. Didn't suppose they now? No time for your bros, no time to quit. Anything you want, we can reach sharp sharp. Some is lifestyle, now we big him up. Vision they clear like but this 500 oh come with a big dream, you know the small picking shit. Family and crew, everybody legit. Some is lifestyle, now premium fit. I want 500 but that one's small. Give me garlic. 500. So I bought onion and ginger, garlic from here. I always buy from this my customer because he sells very cheap to me. I don't know, but I always buy from him anytime I come to Relief. So after the onion and the pepper and I got pepper too and also the ginger and the garlic. I proceeded to the place where I'm going to buy yam. Although I bought many things on this day, but at some point I couldn't film again because I was so tired. And no, I have other things I got, many things I got that I didn't record. But yeah, that is the life of a pregnant mom. Sometimes you get pissed off. Sometimes you don't feel like doing most things. Yeah. So that is it. So just enjoy the rest of the vlog. It's just a short one.
Some is lifestyle, now we be the map.
To buy yam here.
Family and food, nobody benefits. Some is lifestyle, now premium fit.
Mommy, call us, stay goalie. So we're buying this ones.
Some is lifestyle, now they carry last. We don't move forward, we know they look back. Life now
Hello,
let us make we do our best. Every level, we go play at the track.
you always come true for me.
So guys, I got the yam. If you have watched up till this point, please kindly subscribe and like this video, and also drop a beautiful comment in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.
Some is lifestyle.